Asphalt is one of Mother Nature's greatest inventions, 70 million years in the making, built by heat and pressure. Maltenes, as the most critical component of liquid asphalt, form the glue that binds roads together. We rely on these molecular juggernauts, which cannot be replicated by man, to build and maintain strong, resilient roads. High production temperatures at asphalt mixing plants cause 25% of maltene content to be lost before the asphalt even gets to our roadways. The remaining maltenes oxidize over time at ambient temperatures as low as 70 degrees. This leads to accelerated pavement deterioration, which is very costly, both economically and environmentally. Making roads last longer is critical science, saving money and reducing our carbon footprint. Maltene Replacement Technology, MRT, can double the life of an asphalt road at a fraction of the cost and a 500-to-1 reduction in carbon emissions. For over 5 decades, Pavement Technology, Inc. has been perfecting the science of MRT. Today's MRT products include features that fight air pollution and reverse the impact of urban heat islands. The magic is in the maltenes. There is no molecularly compatible substitute. Mother Nature has given us this amazing, natural tool to breathe new life into asphalt. MRT from Pavement Technology, Inc. Real science, real results. Learn more about MRT by visiting gotmaltenes.com or check out the spring 2020 issue of the Pavement Preservation Journal.